Lympung Interschool Athletic Meet 4,000 ya kabala kami lenti baru asyikata kelas dang mentang sengi ka khatsantrik uyayong ha NSC mini stadium paham si nongpo. Kani kajing ilakai kabala sengi lenter la penlong da district sports office nongpo ha kajing dan bentalang ka athletics committee jong kari Bhoi district sports association RBDSA. Ha ka sengi play perda la UI kajing wanship benta jong assistant commissioner baru block development officer uba Eric Sidakhar kumukongsan. Lasendan lang yu da President jangka RBDSA uba RB Shadab baru District Sport Officer uba Bobby L Nongbet bar kumjuru ki khandai spa iwengut kinong ilaka na kilai kumdutali ki school jangka Bhoi District uba da kharu la pri perdaya kading Lympung na kabakinti kalama kum kadak kajing Sdang ya kading Lympung. Ha kajing kran jong uba Eric Sidakhar la penpaw kajing long kabakongsan jong kajing ilakai sport ha kaban kentiu ya kabha kamia jong ki samla da kababanjur ba kajing shimenta ha kajing ilakai sport kamde tang na kabenta ka kwat ka khia jong kamet ka phat ka sport ka bsiap hangi ya kabensim jong kajing itali lang kawe kajing ya bet ya dinti bat kajing tre lang kum kawe kunhun ulaong kat baka puli puthi kalong kabakongsan kajing bit jingbiang jong kamet ka phat kalong hiru kabakongsan na kabenta kajing san jing khie jong ki samla puli laong shushu uba dakhar.
And his team for working so hard in bringing laurels to the state, not only in one field of sport but in many other different fields as well. So, Bhoi district has become one of the main centers for excellence in terms of sports because of the presence of officers like Bhoi and his team. So, I would like to request all of us to please give a big hand of applause to Bhoi and his team, who is the president of the Bhoi District Sports Association, and the secretary also is here, Bakim, if I get the name right. He's district level sports meet. I would like to mention that being a sports person myself, I realize that it takes you to places and it helps to build perseverance, it helps to build integrity, and it helps to build discipline. So all the hard work that you have put in preparing for today's meet, and with the skill that the gods above have blessed you with, I'm sure that this will take you a long way in achieving not only the goal for today, but in achieving life's goals as a whole. Secondly, I would like to mention that all your hard work will pay off today, whether it's in winning or it's in defeat. But all this will teach you humility, and like I had mentioned, it will teach you discipline, and it will teach you how to get along without having so much of indiscipline. So this will help you achieve greater heights. So please remember that as academic excellence also is important, so is physical education, because it's not only the mind that has to grow, even the body has to grow along with the mind, and that will take you to different greater heights. So on that note, I would like to wish each and every one of you a very eventful and a very meaningful sports meet. And also remember that God has given you the skill, and today is your podium to showcase that. So make use of it, and always strive for the greater good. And with these few words, I would like to again one last time wish you all the very best, and God bless. And on that note, I would declare the District Sports Meet 2025 open.